Welcome to PicLearn! চলো একসাথে আনন্দের সাথে ইংরেজি শিখি। Let's start today's lesson.
Animal প্রাণী Animals are our friends. Cat বিড়াল The little cat says, meow. Dog কুকুর The dog wags its tail. Cow গরু The cow gives us fresh milk. Goat ছাগল The little goat leaps in the field. Sheep ভেড়া Sheep have soft, fluffy wool. Horse ঘোড়া The horse runs very fast. Donkey গাধা The donkey carries heavy loads. Rabbit খরগোশ The cute rabbit hops around. Buffalo মহিষ The big buffalo loves the mud. Camel Oot The camel is the ship of the desert. Lion সিংহ The lion is the king of the jungle. Tiger বাঘ The tiger has beautiful stripes. Elephant happy The giant elephant has a long trunk. Bear ভাল্লুক The furry bear loves sweet honey. Fox শিয়াল The clever fox looks around quickly. Deer হরিণ The beautiful deer runs gracefully. Monkey বানর The monkey swings from trees. Giraffe giraffe The giraffe has a very long neck. Zebra zebra The zebra has black and white stripes. Kangaroo kangaroo The kangaroo carries its baby in a pouch. Hippopotamus জলহস্তি The big hippo opens its mouth wide. Rhinoceros. Gondar. The rhinoceros has a sharp horn on its nose. Snake. Sharp. The long snake slithers quietly. Frog. Bang. The green frog leaps into the pond. Lizard. Tick-ticky. The tiny lizard crawls on the wall. Crocodile. Kumir. The crocodile rests by the river. Rat. Idur. The little rat runs very fast. Squirrel. Kadbidali. The busy squirrel nibbles on a nut. Wolf. Nekre. The wild wolf howls at the moon. Crane. Sarosh. The elegant crane stands on one leg. Crow. Kak. The clever black crow is very smart. Sparrow. Jurui. The tiny sparrow chirps happily. Pigeon. Kobutar. Gentle pigeons fly high in the sky. Parrot. Dia. The green parrot has a red beak. Peacock. Moyur. The beautiful peacock dances in the rain. Eagle. Eagle. The brave eagle flies high in the clouds. Owl. Pecha. The wise owl stays awake at night. Duck. Patihash. The yellow duck quacks in the water. Hen. Murgi. The hen clucks around the yard. Rooster. Morog. The rooster crows in the morning. Swan. Rajhash. The graceful white swan swims beautifully. Penguin. Penguin. The cute penguin waddles on the ice. Ostrich. Utpakhi. The ostrich is a very big bird. Woodpecker. Katokra. The woodpecker pecks on the tree. Kingfisher. Machranga. The colorful kingfisher catches a fish. Cuckoo. Kokin. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. The cuckoo sings a beautiful song. Vulture. Shokun. The big vulture soars very high. Magpie robin. Doel. The magpie robin is our national bird. Tailor bird. Tuntuni. The tiny tailor bird sews its nest. Maina. Shalik ba moina. The talkative Maina sings sweetly. Heron. Bok. The white heron waits for a fish. Kite. Chill. The fast kite swoops from the sky. Dove. Gugu. The peaceful white dove is cooing softly. Bulbul. Bulbuli. The little bulbul chirps in the garden. Weaver bird. Babui pakhi. The weaver bird builds an amazing nest. Hornbill. Dhonish. The hornbill has a unique large beak. Pelican. Gogonbed. The big pelican scoops water with its beak. Flamingo. Flamingo. The pink flamingo stands gracefully. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. The tiny hummingbird hovers near the flower. Wow, we learned so many new words today. If you want to learn more fun things with us, please subscribe to PicLearn BD. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.